Today I discuss about critical pedagogy. Mm, Maclan defined critical pedagogy as a term associated with teaching strategy sensitive to the effects of relation of power based on race, gender, ethnicity, and so forth on learning and conscious formation. Pedagogy provides a basic to challenge racism and other forms of oppression for the student to be able to rethink how the relationship between dominant and subordinate groups are formed in order to transform social system and structure. What is critical pedagogy? Intent The intent of the critical pedagogy is to contribute to a more socially just world. Second, social justice is the attainment of equality in every aspect of society. Third, critical pedagogy is based on critical social theory, lab- laboratory education, feminism, pedagogy, and post-structural and post-colonialism. Key concept of the critical pedagogy: learning through discourse, critical conscious, reconceptualization, literacy, honoring lived experience, historical content, praxis both dialogue and action, reflection, direct history, identify and actively counting hidden operation, student voice and empowerment, a constructive rather than banking pedagogy of teaching, breaking down Eurocentric through thought and by slash thinking, acknowledgement of emotional nature, socialist vision, revolution agent, hegemony. Critical pedagogy is a philosophy of education and social movement that combines education with critical theory. First described by Freire, it has since been developed by Henry Giroux and others as a praxis orientation education movement guided by the passion and principles to help the student develop consciousness of freedom, recognize authority, tendency, and connect knowledge to power and the ability to take construct action. Characteristic of critical pedagogy. The following is a list of the goal and method that critical pedagogy try to bring to education. Objective of this pedagogy method of education is to empower students and help themselves. The aim is to liberate students from oppression. Principle of critical pedagogy. Education produce political subjectivity. Ethics is essential to education. Need to understand difference in identity formation. Need to understand how different type of the knowledge are given priority in school. Should pursue new form of culture and knowledge. Claim to objective knowledge should be challenged. Must include a vision of a better world. Teachers should be transformation in intellectual. Student needs a critical conscious voice.